This Bauer bandsaw is pretty sweet. You have a sliding miter gauge there. You have a fence, and the fence works great. And you also have a window here. I know it's kind of hard to see this window, but there's a window right here that shows the tracking of the belt. I don't know if you can see that through here. Tracking the belt, awesome. Also, you have this gauge here for adjusting the height. And on the sides here, you have your door openings, and that shows the wheel, how it's centered here. The blade is centered on the wheel. Down here you have a brush, and this brush right here brushes off all the debris off the wheel, cleans it up. Up here is the tension knob. Screw it clockwise or counterclockwise to release the tension of the blade. And when you want to close this, you close it. Suck it tight with the knob here. Counterclockwise tightens it. And that's also behind it here, you have a few knobs. This knob loosens. This knob loosens. And this knob down here is what gives you your tilt. And right here is the degree setting. I don't have mine set yet for the degree. I'm still setting this one up, but that's pretty much that. And then you tighten down these other two knobs, and that tightens up your degree angle. Under here you have a stop. That stops the table at whatever is level at 90. And this also has a bolt and a screw, or I should say a bolt and a nut that adjusts to get you at level. Down here you have a dust chute. You can hook up a shop vac or whatever you need to that. And I bought a stand for this one to get it up to height, because even though it's a benchtop model, I don't have bench room. So what I did is I just put it on a stand. Also bought the stand at Harbor Freight. I think it was like 25 bucks, and that works out great.